In this video, I'm going to share with you a super easy studio for small YouTubers, a home studio setup on a low budget. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor here to help you grow your influence and income online. If you're a small YouTuber going for YouTube monetization, you're in the right place. A random shout out to 3 of my subscribers, Kadayo TV, Learn with May, and Joseph Ballo. Thank you guys for your support. And if you want to be in the random shout out on my next video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. So this video is about a super easy studio setup. I'm going to reveal to you the illusion that I've created here on my backdrop in just a little bit. So what does your studio look like today? Where are you filming in your house? I was chasing spots in my house before I found this very spot. I was in my front yard, my backyard, my kitchen, my living room, my bedroom, and I just couldn't find a spot where I was comfortable, that was decluttered, with no echo and good lighting. But I've found it and I created a super easy YouTube studio, and here it is. The first thing I want to talk about is lighting. I used natural light for a long time, but it has some drawbacks. You're dependent on the weather, and you're dependent on sitting close enough to a window that the lighting is sufficient on your face. You are the object to be illuminated. So I decided to invest in a ring light. All of the gear that I'm mentioning in this video is linked down below at my resources page, malinlindbom.com/resources, so you can get a ring light of your own. And I assure you, the ring light I'm using is less than $100. There are ring lights of different sizes. It doesn't matter so much as long as you have at least 12 inches. Let me list some of the pros of a ring light for you. The ring light has a button of Kelvin. You can decide if you want a warm light or a white light, like a warm light for dusk dawn type of videos, or a daylight light, the white light, cold light, if you want a video that looks more like that. That's a real benefit of the ring light. Another benefit is that it comes in a stand that you can increase or lower depending on where you want it, so that you have it in the right height for you when you're filming. Another advantage is that you can mount your camera or phone on your ring light. Super easy. You're not dependent on the weather, and it takes up close to no space in your house. And it's so easy to just bring it out, light it up, and stick your phone onto it, and you're good to go. Making it easy, keeping it simple. The second thing I wanted to talk about is a microphone. The audio needs to be fairly good to give your viewers a good enough experience in your videos. I use this clip-on microphone. Super easy. It has an on and off switch, and it sticks right into my phone with this tail. It comes with a cord that is about 2 meters, so you can move around if you're in a kitchen or you're demonstrating something or you're outside, and it's linked down below. The advantages of a microphone like this is that it's cheap, super cheap. I didn't pay more than $50 for it, and it's super easy to use. Now I'm gonna reveal my backdrop to you. Like I said, I was looking all over the place in my house and in my garden to find a place where I was comfortable enough shooting my videos, and I couldn't find one. Then I realized I could create the illusion of a corner. Most YouTubers want a nice backdrop. Most YouTubers use a corner in their house or a studio with a corner, and so I created one like this. So the benefits of this is that you can declutter. Everything that's behind this roller shade is hidden. Yeah, so that's right. This is a roller shade. This is nothing but a curtain. It's not a wall, but it's creating the illusion of a corner, and I love it so much. I wanted this background dark to have a contrast with this beige wall. And as you know from my videos, I usually put B-roll right here. So it's very suitable to have this white wall on one side. A couple of tips to you when you buy your roller shade. It needs to be wide so that you can't see the end of it inside your frame. It also needs to be high because it's mounted in the ceiling. And you might want to mount it far away from a door so that if someone bursts into your room, they don't ruin your roller shade in the process. So that's what I wanted to share with you. A super cheap, easy, small YouTuber studio setup. Get the roller shade, the ring light. You can hop onto my resources page and find the links right there. Next, watch these videos about your YouTube growth, how to grow your channel, get more views, subscribers, and watch time, and eventually get YouTube monetized. Thanks for watching, all the best, good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.